So it's 9 o'clock on the 9th of the 9th, and I'm just about to start my Munda Biddi north to south trek. Righto, here we go. Righto, here's the turn off to the first hut, just about 60 metres on the left here. Let's go have a look, eh? Exciting times. I'm the only one here. Quite a big one. Oh shit. Look at that, so we've got like a bike rack. Alright, let's do some maintenance. Okay, so just a bit of tour around the hut. So we're at this hut here. I'm not going to even try. Anyway, here's the apparently you can sleep 24 people. They've got lower and upper. You know, just undercover here, seating. Got 2 big water tanks, one here, one here. Alright, you've got another bike rack over there, and you've got a bike rack there. Yes, unfortunately some grots around. What do you do? And the toilets are just over there. The drop toilets, I'm assuming. Down the little path here. And over there. A great little spot. Anyway. So every time I pull into a camp or a place, I always check my running gear on my bike. So I check the biggest thing I check is the drivetrain. Make sure there's no gunk and grease in it. I've got a brush in my kit where I'll clean it all out. Yep. I had a problem with my brakes before. That's why it's taken me so long to get here. I had to rebuild. I re-put the rear brakes on because I had no hydraulic brakes, had no power, so I had to adapt to improvise and overcome, which I did. Anyway, but she's running really well, really good. Very happy. That's it. She's a heavy beast. She's a good beast. I'm about 14 kilometres from my where I'm going to stay tonight. The second shed on the Munda Biddi. It's been a long day. By the time I get there will be 76 kilometres. Had a few issues. Had to fix up my brakes. Lost all power on the rear brake for a while. Anyway, fixed it. Also had to pop the tyre. Also had a slow leak anyway. So I stopped a few times. I started at 9 o'clock too, so I can easily do 70 kilometres in a day. I start at 7 o'clock. I'll be finished by 4 o'clock then, so I should get into the night lock around 5:30. So in the next coming days I'm only going to do 50 kilometres, 60 kilometres a day, and I want to do a bit of maintenance on the bike, and that will take me to dwelling up just over 100 kilometres away. But around this time the going gets pretty tough. I'm on a really easy section at the moment. Bloody awesome track, I tell you. Yeah, I'll just give you an update. Alright, I'll talk to you when I get to the night lock. It's just turning off to the hut. Just about 350 metres down here. It's the second hut of the Munda Biddi, going north to south. Good day, long day. Anyway, we've got a slow leak in the front tyre, so I've got to fix that. Make sure the bike's good to go, so I can just ride off tomorrow morning. Righto. Here we are. I just had to push it the last part. I'm absolutely knackered. Yeah, it's got it's basically the same as the other one. It's got the shed there, bike racks, and a taller. Right. I tell you what, these sheds are fantastic. Crikey, I love it. This is awesome. There's no drop there, so anyway. Righto, so I'm all settled in. Just had to fix a puncture, and I recalibrated the brakes again. I'm all set up in the, I don't know if you can see it, my tent. Yeah, just going to have it like that tonight. Everything's good to go. Tonight I'm having this had.I chicken. Yeah, should be good. Got the jet boiler on. Time now is 18:54. Yeah, the bike held up really good. I'm very proud. It's done well. Just the tiny little punch. It was a slow leak, so you know, every hour or 2 hours I was pumping it up, and anyway, I fixed it. It's good to go. Right, until tomorrow morning.